Circular errors. What are they? How do we fix them? Do we keep them in place? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here's how to chase down and fix circular errors. Circular errors would be, here's an example, a plus 1 plus a2 plus a3. Well, trying to add to yourself. Basically, it's adding 1, adding 2, and then it's trying to add itself. And so it's an endless loop. When that happens, you get this annoying one or more circular references where a formula refers to its own cell, either directly or indirectly. This may cause all kinds of problems down the road, and you need to fix it. We have this circular error, and this is simple. Okay, we know what the error is, but let's say somebody handed this off to you. It's a complex worksheet. Your job is to find the circular error because, well, you're the auditing expert. What you do is there are tools. There's always tools within Excel. And here we have under formulas, we have formulas, formula auditing, error checking, circular references. Let's go up here to the ribbon, go to formulas, formula auditing. We're going to go error checking, and we're going to go circular references, and it says A3. Well, that's how you find it. How do you correct it? Well, that's up to you. You have to figure whether that is viable or not. What if it's a situation where you want the circular reference? You're doing a calculation where whatever this number is, it has to be included. In A3, you have to keep this reference. It's important. It's used for something else. But you're going to get this circular error issue. Well, there's a way to get around that. And that is by setting the iteration box within formulas feature in the back end. Here's what it looks like. We have formulas, we have calculation options, touched on this earlier, but you have this iteration. In other words, we have to iterate through this particular number in order to generate another number. Enabling the iterate calculation will resolve that problem. So we go to options, go up here, file, options. We have formulas, able iterations, and you can put it to 1. You can set it to whatever you want. Hit OK. Now that circular reference is gone. And I just inserted the path to particular back-end formulas where you can change this iteration if you need to. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.